Compare 1 and 8 tenths and 1 and 6 tenths. You could use the number line to help. All right, well, let's take 1 and 8 tenths and graph that in blue. So 1 and 8 tenths lives right there. Let's put a nice big dot right there at 1 and 8 tenths. 1 and 6 tenths is going to be U. So let's go to 1 and 6 tenths, which is right there. Now, when you look at a number line, the number to the right is the larger number than the number on the left. So blue is going to be larger than red. Now, when we compare using a number line, a number that is to the right of another number is going to be larger. In other words, blue is larger than red, or in our case, blue is greater than red. Now, when we compare, we use inequality symbols. So the inequality symbol is greater than is that symbol right there. So if we say blue is greater than red, then we are going to say 1 and 8 tenths is greater than 1 and 6 tenths. Now, you could also say 1 and 6 tenths is less than 1 and 8 tenths, but, we don't have to write out both. This will do it. And as you can see, the little alligator is going to eat the larger number. Fun stuff.